and this one, and computer. Computer have already program of service tools. See? Okay. Service tool for VRF system. This is program in computer. Type. I want to open this computer, this program. Without key, I cannot. Without key, I can't. See, without key, what will happen? Double click. I choose yes. Not open. Because
No key. No key.
and give you error. Give you error. Okay? Understand? Press OK. I put key. Start. Yes. See? Different. Okay? And this one, adapter. This one, adapter. What about this one? This one, converter. Converter. I can call converter. Because this one receive signal from system. Receive signal from system and change to data in computer. Understand? Yani by this one, I can read data in system. But if I don't have this one, I cannot. I can't. Okay? Here, see user ID VRF. Password here, already password and user ID saved already. Yani no need to every time insert. IT, company IT will download this program in computer and give you username and password. Class. You just click. Okay. I have here chooses online work, offline work, exit. Online means when I connect computer to system. When I connect computer to system. يعني should I connect this one? This one have here plug and this plug connect with wire. Wire coming from indoor or outdoor, whatever. طيب, which terminal in indoor? X1, X2. طب which terminal in outdoor? X1, X2. Or Z1, Z2. You remember before I said Z1, Z2. When we reach this for Z1, Z2, we will talking about. Okay? Yeah, I can connect service tools in Z1, Z2 in outdoor or X1, X2. It's the same. It's the same. Okay? طيب. If I connect from indoor, I have to connect from X1, X2 from indoor. X1, X2. Outdoor, X1, X2 same or Z1, Z2. Understand? I connect here, I put plug and connect wire to system. And put this one here. I have key and converter. What's the meaning of converter? Means he receive data from system and convert data to computer. Okay? طيب. I connect to system. I choose online or offline? Online. Online. What's the meaning of offline? Forget it now. Online. I click online. Choose online. I have this one. This page, what's the meaning? Ask me name name of the system which one you want to connect, because each system should be have name. Okay, طب what's name? Anything. سيد, right, سيد. But because of this one for work, I want you to choose name what? For example, site name يعني الجبري system 01 02 03 04 الجبري 01 for example, الجبري 00 الجبري first floor 11. Understand? You put name because this one will be easy to reach. Okay? For example, Karama 04 يبقى means what? Karama 14 Karama 34 يعني Karama system 34 Karama third floor 34. For example, Karama third floor means third floor, 34 means system number 3 or system number 4 in third floor. Understand? You put name for make you easy to reach this one, this data, because after you finish you will save this data. طب how you reach? How you reach? For example, I have one building 20 system. Okay, I make file, write name of building Jafar building. يبقى I write Jafar third floor. I can put space. Oh, third floor. Okay, system 4 3 4. Okay, يبقى this system third floor number 34. 34 means third floor system number 4. Understand? Okay, I want to change any name. Taha. System number 00. Taha 00. Okay, any name, but make you easy to reach this name. Make you easy reach to this name. If name big, you can choose first letter for each word. Okay, understand? I give name and then okay. This one cancel. When you reach, you see this one cancel. Oh, come here, see, this is page. Before you connect to system, you have to make a scan. What's the meaning of scan? A scan, a check address. I come here, a check. Now I select check a address. What's the meaning? يعني this page will make a scan in the system and give me addressing number. Outdoor unit 00, outdoor unit 01, outdoor unit 03. Okay, indoor unit 00. If you have, maybe no have, but indoor unit 01, indoor unit 02, indoor unit 03, 04, 05, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 indoor and 3 outdoor. Total 13. Give you here 13 units. Total 13 units. Outdoor unit 3, indoor unit 10. Okay, and I will start address. Okay, address checker. But I don't, because I don't have system, cannot showing addressing. See here, you see down Outdoor unit here
0.
0 because no outdoor unit. Understand? Indoor unit, huh? 0. But we're showing what? 10. RBU RBU يعني remote. No, this one give you 0. Total
0.
13. 3 outdoor and 10 indoor. Okay? I cannot press start because no system. No system. But if I have system, start will active. I press start. And start make a scan. A check. Okay. Maybe some unit missing. Right? Maybe some unit, 2 units have same number. And when you remember, when we make addressing, you remember I write paper for address number and serial number and the model number and the location. Okay, which unit missing? I will go there. For example, machine indoor unit 03. Where is 03? I have paper already. I go this room have 03. I check. Maybe switch off. Understand? Okay. Outdoor unit missing. Okay. طيب. After finish, make addressing and finish. I press close. I want to connect to system. Still now make addressing. Okay. I want to read check data. I come here. Okay. OK means make start connect data transfer. Okay, I can choose this one and this one. Yes, and OK. Okay, and OK. Because no system, no OK, no connect. Understand? But if we have system, it will be connect to system and reading data. Understand? Just 5-minute break.